taking this fucking van. The boys that helped us get her down here. It's the first time of the trip I've got in. Fuck this piece of shit, eh? She's fuming and fucking, oh my god. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I can't believe it. I don't believe it.
Austin Morris. Oh, you go. Let's go down. See one trick. Yo, fucking Blake Horn, Mountain Dew. Which angle are we off?
Oh, this is so cool. One day I'm going to get a jukebox and put all my CDs in it. Like, I know this style is way cooler, but I know, bro.
Sorry, I thought you'd finished. I thought you were walking away. Yeah, the lights are not good.
My dad used to have heaps of these, man. Looks like a dirty Freddy down the back. Escort. Fucking RX-8s everywhere. Don't fall in there. Oh, that's fucking cool as fuck. Eh?
Shit's like this sitting around, eh?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, bro.
That's fucking awesome as Rolly. I love shit like this.
In the way.
Well, you just wouldn't know it's fucking here.
No, no.
So I actually bought this motor out.
Peripheral port housing. On chrome.
What do you got? What do you drive?
Yo!
It'll be close.
I think that was the second one. So if you could just keep an eye out for the first one.
Yeah, okay.
Might have missed it. They should be up here, like in where we drop. Follow our tracks.
Yeah.
And they shouldn't be far off that, I can see. Shout out for your help, guys.
It's all
Got
good.
you.
So hard trying to do everything.
Yeah,
And like, we actually really value the viewer participation because you guys get to see the real life side of it.
yeah. It's what we're buzzing, G. It's like, yo.
Nice ass crank. No fucking yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Yeah. Oh, I won't post there because it's one of the good moments. I'll save it for them. Turn it. Take him through the water.
Fall off, please fall off.
Try to get a bit of an head shot.
Willie and Tina, OG viewers. I'm fucking.
Listen to them.
Can you hear that, everyone? What's he broken now? Welcome to Billy Fucks Everything, including my fucking head. Fucking wanker. Lucky you, I love the bastard. Can you pull up next to him, Willie? Quickly, just quickly. This is fucking too Mickey, eh, Willie? Honestly, this shit's gonna make a mean reel later tonight, bro. After I kick back and have a feed and chill out, fucking gonna be laughing about this shit. My missus is gonna fucking kill me. Fucking hell. Oh, my daughter is not gonna want me hanging out with Billy Holm. She's bossing.
600 kilometers.
So look, so we were up at Cape Ranga.
We'll be able to make it in R10, won't we?
Fuck, maybe not one of your R7s. Check this out. How are we going to fucking make it like that, guys? Fucking hell. No, just see that.
Yeah, look, Hobart. How can Hobart be closer? Hobart.
I was more so interested in telling people that section just there is roller burn. It's there's so many videos of that.
Really?
Yeah. As soon as I drove down, I was like, yeah, this skids a lot.
I've been here before with my mate Rodney and Jade. We did a Stewart Island tram where we saw kiwi in the bush and that. And I've been to that chain before since the
See all the videos.
second time too.
So
So the chain disappears off into the ocean and then it comes out on Stewart Island. And it's like a link to keep Stewart Island kind of hanging on to it.
Stuart Island's holding us down.
You reckon Stewart
Yeah,
Island's holding us
yeah,
down?
we'll just don't. Yeah.
Shout out to Stewart Island, the backbone of New Zealand.
So what's going to happen with the van now? So
What's going to happen to the van? I want to fucking pour petrol on it and set it on fire.
Yeah. Hey, he needs to take off the top.
Can we take my IDA manifold and my starter off before we do that?
I'd like to, I'm going to shop the van before, I'd like to put it back there. Yeah, that van's a special van, but everyone's there.
Yeah. Someone's talking about putting
The
it in Mike's
van's
museum.
special to you.
Someone's talking about putting leaving it in Mike's fucking Mad Mike's museum.
That's actually a really good idea too, eh? Wouldn't it be cool but to be able, Mikey, if you're listening, bro, and I know some of you fellas are watching too, you know, wouldn't it be funny if we put this piece of crap on display in your cafe and just see what kind of interest we got out of it, bro? And that's really up to you, Mikey. I'll leave it to you if you want to reach out to us. I don't know, bro. I know it's a crazy idea.
It's going all north and down.
It's done the whole thing. A fucking $200 fucking EDV motor we got, strapped it together, put it on free van. It was
How many editions of that motor do you think we did?
Oh, not many. It was maybe 4, not too many.
7?
Yeah, maybe.
And the funny thing is, this is like the strongest version of it. Like, it's honestly, the plates should be warped and the housing should be shrunk. But honestly, all these people that go on about, oh, you can't use this, oh, you can't do that. This motherfucker proves you all fucking wrong with the shit he puts in his motors. Everything that I've been taught, like, yeah, I'll stick to that, but this dude builds a fucking solid motor, I'm not going to deny that.
Fuck yeah. Anyone can do it. Fucking just shows we can fucking do the whole country. You know, I think
I'm
at the start,
blown away.
at the start, no one thought we could fucking make it out of Auckland. It's cool as
Hey,
fucking
Bill, hey.
Now pretty much.
What a fucking mission.
Yeah, we've
What
done a few
fucking
diffs and shit, but that's just because we're fucking rough. Skipping it up and shit.
This is how we like.
Fucking
That's
team
how
up
we
with
party.
the boys, good shit.
Solid. Off to
Queenstown,
Queenstown. Yeah, time
Yes,
to
another-
fucking relax.
Yeah.
We've got no more deadlines to work to except for the ferry, so we can actually go to Queenstown, let our hair out a little bit. Don't want to do that too much. I might be a little bit fucking wobbly on the eyes still. How's that cut, guys? Fucking what should I do about that? I don't know. I don't fucking know.
Yeah, just a bit like you and Icky.
Fuck you, eh? Billy, I don't know if you know this.
You can't tell me about 400 kilometres an hour along the road before.
No. No, but Sean filled me in.
Slow down.
When you left me on the beach all fucked up and dazed and confused, nah, it wasn't really true. Don't worry, guys, it's not that bad. But Sean was filling me in how he's been watching Bill's channel for probably, I don't know, how long do you think, Sean? 3 or 4 years?
Yeah.
And so Sean's already seen the things we do together, the burnouts. And this is the thing we see. There's Misfire viewers and there's Sir Rota viewers.
Back to the Sir Rota days, eh?
Back to the Sir Rota days. Sean, to me, keep
orange wig, man.
even Willie and Tina that hooked me up the GoPros. I haven't got a photo, well, we've got a photo with them. They're not in shot right now because it's fucking freezing here. But all you fellas like Willie and Tina, Sean,
Just everyone, bro.
Everyone.
The whole fucking New
Those are the
Zealand,
people
bro.
I remember right now.
Everyone in New Zealand is off the
Yeah.
road and then the
Yeah.
community we're in, and we're fucking real grateful for everyone. Fucking
Yeah,
doing what they've done for
we're
us.
blown away by all the support that the community is giving
Not
us.
only the South Island, the North Island, fucking everyone, just everyone.
Everywhere.
involved, bro. Everyone that's sort of our
You're all
range
a
is
bunch of fucking GCs.
Anyone that
all of
likes a
you.
Rota, and hopefully everyone gets a Rota, and we can all fucking boost it around and fucking.
Rota the fucking world.
Yeah, the fucking boys.
Yeah. Shout out Willie. Here's Willie now. To make it fucking Willie. Bro, give us a hongy, bro. Kia ora.
Me,
Kia ora.
hey, you done it wrong.
Hey,
Oh, you're doing it wrong.
thank you. So I just got my proper tikanga Māori order fucking listen there. So I'll work on that. I'm working on my pronunciation. Sorry, you fellas out there. You know, I'm just a white honky from Manga there at the end of the day, you know. So, to make it. Shout out Sean. Thanks very much for filming, bro.